Welcome to 10741 Vivaldi Court in Miromar Lakes. This listing is brought to you by Jennifer Springer with Orchid Realty Group. Miromar Lakes Beach and Golf Club is an award-winning community voted #1 in the United States. Built in 2004 with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, and a total of 2,793 square feet, there has been no detail overlooked in this former model home. With $175,000 in upgrades throughout, from the beautifully updated kitchen with custom built-in cabinets and designer furnishings in the living areas and bedrooms, to your outdoor kitchen and lanai, which walks you out to the white sandy beaches and palm trees. Miromar Lakes offers world-class amenities and year-round social activities and entertainment that the whole family can enjoy. If resort-style living is what you desire, look no further than Miromar Lakes Beach and Golf Club. For more information on this listing, you can contact Jennifer Springer at 920-450-6822.